we are on a timer for this episode.
Akash, you haven't paid me yet.
अपन इतने well prepared क्यों हैं podcast में?
We've always been well prepared, but Too Hot to
Guys,
Handle season 2 review is coming out for our audience soon.
Yeah.
We'll all
Yeah.
watch it, है ना, Kevin?
Let's watch it, guys.
There is no structure, guys. Come on. Structure now, guys. Structure
Kevin
now.
जा रहा है गुड़गांव में.
Akash, I am watching it,
देखेगा Too
Akash.
Hot to Handle.
अबे
Exactly.
गुड़गांव है, बैंकॉक नहीं है कि कुछ और की इतने टेंशन में बोल रहा है.
You asshole.
Recently I watched something जिसमें बहुत सारे बैंकॉक जोक्स थे, and in that I just I was watching BBK Vines की some videos, उसमें उसके ना पापा खो जाते हैं वहाँ पे बैंकॉक में. And recently I think भुवन बम जो है उसके पेरेंट्स पास हुए, तो उसमें बैंकॉक वाला बड़ा तगड़ा एपिसोड था एक. तो I was just imagining the person I would want to get lost in Bangkok would be Kevin. Because उसके साथ इतनी सारी चीजें होंगी और वापस आएगा ना, बड़ा मजा आएगा.
Kevin की सारी fantasies पूरी हो जाएंगी ना?
Yeah.
No, not Bangkok.
Yeah.
No.
It's okay, Kevin.
No.
We will accept you as जैसा भी है. It's okay.
See,
What was
Akash,
there
me and
Hangover?
Married and Akash is equally useless in any country, तो कोई point नहीं है. So you are the only one left.
What?
Akash,
Bangkok?
Akash, are you going to do your "Are you okay" thing?
Yeah, hey, Kevin, why are we talking about Bangkok, by the way?
No
Where did
idea.
this come from?
Because we have nothing to talk
For
about.
some reason.
That also,
I
that to
actually-
our audience, fair warning in advance. There's not much
What?
going
Yeah.
on around the world apart from sports.
Everything in the title is clickbait. हमने फालतू में ये सब बिटकॉइन और ये फेम वगैरह बोला है, हमें कोई आइडिया नहीं है इसके बारे में. भी बोल रहे हैं ये सब, ठीक है? यहाँ पे
I don't know
कोई
what the
कुछ
fuck is going on with
नहीं है.
Bitcoin, by the way. I'm not a.
On that
don't
note,
read
what's
much on
up,
Bitcoin.
guys? Welcome to the Vele podcast. This is the podcast where four friends gather around to talk about a variety of topics. As usual, I am joined by my friends Arnav, Amrit, and Kevin.
What's up?
I was waiting for you, Kevin. That's why I left a gap in there for you to say what.
Right. And that's why you told my name in the last, like at
Exactly,
the last.
because if I say it in the middle, you say "What's up" while I'm saying someone else's name all the time. But
You
anyway,
know-
शाबाश.
Arnav, go.
अपने को क्या डिस्कस करना चाहिए था? जुलाई में जेफ बीजोस एंड रिचर्ड ब्रांसन वो जा रहे हैं स्पेस में.
वो ब्लू ओरिजिन करके उनका खुद का वो है ना.
Yeah,
yeah.
it's been approved now for space.
So apparently
Tourism.
he's trying to go on 20th July, Jeff Bezos. But suddenly
Yeah,
Richard
people-
Branson came into picture. He said, "I will go before that." So now
Yeah.
उसमें भी रेस लगी हुई है.
Richard Branson has
अगर
been
ये-
trying to launch that Virgin Galactic for so long.
Yeah.
ओए, अगर वो वापस नहीं आया तो मेरी प्राइम मेंबरशिप को कुछ होगा क्या?
Okay, you know what? So
No,
Reddit
there's
पे,
actually a campaign. There's a campaign going on. Yeah, Arnav,
no.
go on you.
Reddit
What?
पे there are people who are actually. I mean, it's sad that
It's
they're
right.
doing these things. They're saying कि there's a very high chance since it's the first flight, and if something happens to Jeff Bezos, Amazon stocks will crash. So let's buy basically call options or वो सब. And I'm like यार. People are literally looking forward to ये सारी चीजें. They are just trying to gamble
Yeah,
कि
the
there's
world
a
is,
possibility.
uh,
might
Arey, we
happen.
want some entertainment.
Yeah, Arnav, the world is a negative
Kevin,
place. Very
when someone
negative.
is
Yeah,
dying-
people want entertainment.
When
People
someone is
also
dying,
want-
it's not entertainment.
There was a campaign for
Kevin,
leave Jeff
Kevin,
Bezos in space.
where is your moral science, Kevin? And by the way, how do you buy Amazon stocks in the first place? मैं जब भी stocks खरीदने जाता हूँ, वो मुझको देते नहीं है. मुझे आज तक समझ
Good.
नहीं आया.
I have a
They
feeling,
look at you,
Amrit, did you go
Amrit.
to
They
the
look at you
grocery
and say,
store?
छोड़ दे.
अभी नहीं है, मेरे पास तो अभी एक लाइसेंस्ड ब्रोकर भी है, पर वो भी मेरी बात नहीं मानता, बदतमीज कहीं का. वो भी मेरी एक बात नहीं
Amrit,
मानता.
हैरी पॉटर का स्टॉक है तो तू खरीद लेगा.
मैं हॉगवर्ट्स खरीद लूंगा भाई टकले, बट
You-
देता तो कोई है नहीं, मैं क्या करूं?
Our audience, you have this type of topics to look forward to. Anyway, let's talk about Bitcoin.
नहीं सीरियस बात करते हैं यार, क्योंकि देखो वैसे भी आप एपिसोड तो सुनते हो नहीं, तो
Yes,
बिटकॉइन के
yes.
बारे में ओरिजिनल रीजन वाज कि अभी यूरोज और हर उस चीज में कुछ 3 to 4 मंथ से इंडिया में एक कैंपेन चल रहा है एड्स का कि बिटकॉइन आसानी से खरीदने के, जैसे कौन सा ऐप है जो तुम बोल रहे थे, वो कॉइन डीएक्स, वजीर एक्स, बहुत सारे ऐसे एप्स हैं जो अभी प्राइम वो है, लाइक वो बोलते हैं कि आसानी से जब याद है 4-5 साल पहले जब पहले पेटीएम मोबीक्विक वगैरह आए थे, कि आसानी से आप मनी ट्रांजैक्शंस कर सकते हो, सेम तरीके से अभी बिटकॉइन का भी चल रहा है कि यार तुमने खरीदनी 100 रुपए में बिटकॉइन खरीद लो.
वेट, तो इसके
आसानी से
एड्स
वो
आते
ले
हैं
लो.
इंडिया में?
भाई यूरो 20 का ऑफिशियल इंडिया में सोनी लाइव पे the official sponsor is that Wazir X app.
I
And
thought that
the
was a
day I saw
betting app,
it,
not a Bitcoin.
no, they are a Bitcoin trading app.
Oh,
And
okay.
they are not only the official sponsor for Euro 20 के उसमें जब वो डिस्कस करते हैं सब उसमें आते हैं और उनके सारे एड्स आते रहते हैं जिस दिन ये यूरो 20 शुरू हुआ उन पे आरबीआई का केस लगा कि इन्होंने फुल डिस्क्लोजर नहीं किया इनके बैंक अकाउंट्स का हो सो दैट इज द टाइम वेयर मैंने जब पहली बार अर्नब से वो बात शुरू करी थी कि यार देखो बिटकॉइन इज समथिंग अगर एक्सप्लेनेशन वाइज किसी को एग्जैक्टली समझ नहीं आता आई हैव हर्ड कि आई अंडरस्टैंड कि आरबीआई एंड जैसे पीपल पीसीबी वगैरह जो है जो पीपल्स बैंक ऑफ चाइना का जो सेंट्रल बैंक है दे आर ऑल ट्राइंग टू लॉन्च अ डिजिटल करेंसी ऑफ देयर ओन बट अर्नब बिटकॉइन में द पॉइंट इज कि all the people I talk to do not particularly know what it is. So I was wondering if someone could explain it in an easy way.
It's virtual
wait,
currency.
So Bitcoin became trending in the news again because El Salvador made Bitcoin a legal tender.
Yeah, legal tender.
Cryptocurrency.
Legal tender. मतलब वहाँ पे
Like legal tender. The
तुम
Congress
accept कर
voted.
I don't think
Yeah,
anybody
yeah.
cares about El Salvador. What
No,
they
I'm
do.
just saying why it
I
became
wouldn't
trending.
do.
I think 62 out of
but do you know,
84 votes
El
they got.
Salvador, when I looked up that story, उनका already official currency dollar है.
Yeah.
सेंट्रल अमेरिका की बहुत सारी कंट्रीज के
they legalized dollar in 2001.
या उन्होंने नो बट इज देयर ऑफिशियल करेंसी तुम वहां पे वो कर सकते हो लाइक एंड कि सो दैट जस्ट टू गेट अवे फ्रॉम द करेंसी एक्सचेंज वाला नॉनसेंस उन्होंने अपने आप वो कर दिया लाइक दैट्स आई नेवर न्यू कि ऐसा भी हो सकता है
But apparently
once
मैंने
again-
भी पढ़ा था but apparently it backfired. There's something happened. मुझे economics समझ में नहीं आता क्या हुआ but when they did this in 2001
नहीं, नहीं,
उसके बाद there were some repercussions उसके when they basically made dollar as a legal
नहीं,
tender.
वो नो पर वो तो होने है ना कि द डॉलर की वैल्यू इज बेस्ड ऑन the economics of America. It's never going to be
Okay.
based on El
I
Salvador.
don't know
wait,
what you guys are
wait.
talking about. When I went to Mexico, I was using US dollars to get into every club. So what
फिर क्या
exchange
हो
are you
गया?
guys talking about?
अंदर भी अकेले बाहर भी अकेले आया क्या फायदा हुआ ये कहानी बताने का
Anyway, before we get into this, all of this, not to Kevin's topic, but
Amrit,
all of
technically I wasn't alone. तू भी था ना यार.
Arnav, please explain to
You
us,
are
since you're the most knowledgeable in this area, please explain to us what Bitcoin is.
First of all, disclaimer for our audience, हमें actually कुछ idea नहीं है. We are
That's
just
why I said
talking
out
as-
of all of us, Arnav
Yeah.
maybe has a bit of an idea.
So first, before we go to Bitcoin is based on blockchain, right? So first of all, does anyone own किसने own करते हो Bitcoin यहाँ पे? Has anyone tried?
नहीं.
Nope.
Same.
No.
None of us have Bitcoin.
Yeah,
Great.
metaphorically.
We are
Literally.
speaking from a
It
qualified
seems way too
position.
shady for me.
I don't have money for it, but yeah.
Kevin,
So
you know who else said that? Trump. Yeah. Now I think you're in that company. So am I as well. But still.
I always supported Trump. He's my
Aye.
Christian brother.
Censor. Okay, bye.
I'm
Let's
just kidding. Okay.
continue. Let's continue.
it's okay, Kevin, if you support.
5 सेकंड में फट गई
नहीं. Oh wait, now it's Biden. Okay, Jay Biden.
Jai
Biden is not my president. That Indian said one time. But let's
That
go
guy.
on. No.
You are Indian. I liked it. I like the first tweet.
So मुझे पता नहीं what China and RBI, as Amrit mentioned, they are trying to bring their own digital currency. I have honestly no idea what it means. So मुझे वो angle, so I won't go into that side because I have zero knowledge on that.
That is an angle I can talk about because that angle I found a lot of information about. I
So-
could not understand what.
Let's explain what is Bitcoin. Please
So
tell
before
us.
Bitcoin,
Let's
उसका जो
start.
Bitcoin का जो base है, it's based on blockchain tech, right? So blockchain
Yep.
basically that concept came out sometime in early 90s, 1991 के around, but no one was able to create an actual application using blockchain. So what blockchain is basically, जैसे अपन it's considered as a database जहाँ पे तुम कुछ store करते हो,
Encrypted
right?
database type.
नहीं, forget about
Unhackable, they said, right?
forget about all those. Like blockchain at its root is just a literally blocks. So each block represents certain amount of data. So it can be anything. It can be a social media का आप बना सकते हो on top of blockchain. It can be legal ये currencies, not legal currencies, cryptocurrencies. It can be anything. So it does not have to be Bitcoin or any other coin. It can be anything. But first real world application was in 2008. Some group or guy or whoever, no one knows who that person is or who that group is. Satoshi Nakamoto. So that they came out in 2008. They used that blockchain.
Is that the dark
concept.
web?
It's just a name. It's just a name on that white paper. No one actually knows.
It's a dark, it's dark web probably.
It's like he who must not be named Kevin or Voldemort.
Arnav, you're explaining blockchain.
So about blockchain, so it's each block it consists of some data, right? It can be anything, and they are connected to its next block. So it's always chronological order mein hota hai. So that's how that's why it's called blockchain, literally, right?
Mhm.
The one interesting part is isme ki all these blocks. So decentralized, jo if you might have suna hoga ever decentralized, right? What basically it means is right now if you अपन जो Zoom पे बात करते हैं, if you use any application, सारा डेटा एक जगह स्टोर होता है, right? Whether it's some data center or कोई company owns that data in a way. What this means is each computer, जैसे अमृत ने कोई blockchain buy किया, right? He made a transaction on Bitcoin, for example. वो transaction actually हर जगह copy हो जाता है. So basically we create a copy of that whole blockchain on every single computer जो उस network में है. They call it a node.
Pause. That means like a record for everyone to see कि ऐसा transaction हुआ है.
Exactly. So पुराने जमाने में ledgers आते थे, right? कि आप लिखते हो हर transaction, right? So
This is a
इसी का वो
virtual ledger
digital
type.
version, but
Yeah,
on
digital.
it's copied on every single node, right? So आकाश ने कुछ ट्रांजैक्शन किया, केविन ने कुछ ट्रांजैक्शन किया, सबने जो ट्रांजैक्शन किया है उस सबका कॉपी हर एक के कंप्यूटर पे है, जहां जो
By a node is an individual system, right? मतलब
a node is a
yep.
correct, an individual computer, right? That's what
Okay.
a single unit है, वो node है उसमें, right? And you can also connect bunch of computers to create a वो, but let's not go into वो details अभी. A node is single computer basically. तो हर एक उसकी कॉपी है. So the good part about this concept is if anyone makes a transaction or anything is blockchain pe, Bitcoin wale pe, it actually gets copied over to on all the nodes, right? But before that, they have to be verified. So तुमने सुना होगा Bitcoin mining. So basically ये जो mining है, what mining that these are like extremely powerful network of computers. They basically verify these transactions. In order to verify, it has to be majority. Basically, 51% should accept that block. Only then it's considered a verified transaction, and only then it will be added to the last chain. That block will be added to the end of that blockchain, right? So once it's verified only. So verification, obviously, it's a very complex. वो इसलिए तुम सुना होगा कि it uses it's very inefficient process. तो बहुत सारे computer. It's basically a gambling. So each block it has a hash. Hash is nothing but a digital signature मान लो उसको कि जो भी data है, and based on that time it creates a digital signature and which is unique to that particular block. So each block
you go to Kullu Manali for.
Kullu Manali है?
What?
Yeah, नहीं मैंने सुना है hash के लिए लोग Kullu Manali जाते हैं.
Not that hash.
Rubbish is going.
मुझे लगा वहाँ पे कुछ.
Does this mean that all of this is like traceable Bitcoin? Because since you said like every node it tracks on like every computer, every node you said. So there's a security issue with Bitcoin, huh? That I thought it was like untraceable in a way.
It is, and because no one knows actually वो तुम्हें transaction दिखता है कि वो transaction क्या हुआ, but no one knows who has done it.
Oh, okay. So it's anonymous all the time.
It is anonymous, yeah. So you actually have no idea वो transaction किसने किया है. So
Yeah.
it's extremely hard to trace it.
Because
you can't hide the transaction, but you also can't trace it.
There's no paper trail, as you'd say.
नहीं, तुम्हें पता नहीं कि किसने किया है, but तुम्हें पता है कि कुछ हुआ है.
पूरा trail है उसका, but who has done it, you don't know.
Who has done it? Yeah.
Okay. So in that way, it is very secure. And because it's also secure because it cannot be modified, by the way. So that particular block. So let's say 100 block है, and कल को कोई hacker या कोई भी आके कहता है कि मुझे 49th block change करना है. The problem becomes each block is connected to its previous block using that hash. So each block को पता है कि उसका previous block कौन सा होना चाहिए. So this whole chain is created. So if you change actually one block, वो सारे hash change हो जाएंगे, and then the whole chain becomes invalid. And in order to change that block, first of all, it has to be verified from that 51% majority, right? So even वो नहीं होने वाला, because in order to do that, you have to hack 51% of those nodes on that network, which is extremely improbable to happen because you need it's a huge, as I almost close to impossible, because the blockchain, as it becomes bigger and bigger, more number of nodes are being added, right? More number of people are on that network. So you have to actually in a way hack 51% of those. So that becomes extremely impossible to do those kind of things. So इसलिए वो कहते हैं कि you cannot modify it, because once you modify, everyone finds out right away कि something, because it becomes invalid.
So another question I have: why was it so valuable at one point, Bitcoin? Why did the price suddenly
Because
rise
the
so
hype,
much?
right?
So
What
another,
was it for? Why?
is
Why?
all-
What was the reason? I never understood.
so people are looking for ways of different financial, I cannot call it a currency, but like more,
Diversification.
not diversification, but more improved ways of financial systems, right? So abhi ke financial systems are very centrally controlled. So
Yeah.
they govern every single thing. So in India में RBI है, यहाँ पे जो federal है, so they
Yeah.
control everything. They are going to determine the trajectory of the उनके जो भी currency होने वाली है. They are going to decide market की conditions क्या है, to a very big extent. So a lot of people don't like that, because now all the power is in one central agency, right? And because now they can actually seize your bank account if they want, they can inflate the dollar, they can जो भी करना है, they can do all those things. So I think
वो जो अर्नब तूने जो व्हाइट पेपर भेजा था बिटकॉइन को ओरिजिनली, उसमें द गाय और द ग्रुप और द लेडी whoever made it, उसमें भी essentially the objective was that they have a severe problem. The inventors of Bitcoin had a severe issue with the access that all these central banks around the world and the control and power they have over the flow of currency, और markets को ये अपने whims and fancies के और करें. And also Akash, it started ये 2008 के ये financial crisis के बाद भी this thing really was released and talked about. So that was a time when there was a lot of public uproar. And most importantly, the reason Bitcoin became that is because वो डिजिटल एज में a digital way था of doing everything. So you remember वो Facebook में याद है, वो Facebook में वो Winklevoss twins वगैरह थे, वो जो भाई थे, वो जो रोइंग they वगैरह became early investors in this. Because I saw the early investors were all really high profile people because who were into it for the exclusivity of it. But because शुरुआत में it was nearly impossible unless you were doing something downright shady to have transactions in this, because किसी भी करेंसी का पॉइंट क्या है, somebody has to value it, right? But then as it became more and more exclusive, it started skyrocketing पागलों की तरीके से, and especially last 3-4 साल में तो it has turned into a joke of sorts.
And it also solves in a way couple of things. For example, अभी now Bitcoin को मुझे यहाँ से तुझे भेजना है, तो अबू धाबी में बैठा है, it's extremely easy for me to do that using Bitcoin, right? But if I have to now, there is no hurdle, there is no fees involved, वो सब नहीं है, right? I mean, it's extremely easy. Obviously, in terms of जो उसका जो mining cost है, that's separate. We can talk about that later. But like in terms of transaction, it's pretty straightforward and it's extremely fast also as compared to now. मैं यहाँ से बैंक में wire transfer initiate करूँगा, वो first of all को charge करेंगे, then वो बैंक वहाँ पे wire करेगा money तेरे बैंक में, then that bank will charge some money to you. So it is a very cumbersome process, no doubt about it. So Bitcoin, obviously, so it is that's add-on incentive. It is supposed to be faster eventually, and it will save you more cost in transactions, right? So even for example, lot of times, अभी pandemic के time पे, अभी जब इंडिया में second wave hit किया बहुत भयानक, lots of people actually use Bitcoin. People who are like abroad, they were using Bitcoin and Ethereum and all these coins to actually send money to India. And so even there's another coin called Ethereum, which is also quite famous. That's built on slightly different concept, but underlying the blockchain ही है सारा. But like the type of block is different. It has like the type of data which you can save is slightly different in Ethereum. It's something to do with smart contracts. मुझे उसमें knowledge नहीं ज़्यादा अभी. But in general, so now वो उसका एक अच्छा aspect है. But end of the day, right now it has no value. I mean, yeah, I know, right? I think right now it's some $35,000 for one Bitcoin or whatever the price is.
Yeah.
But it doesn't, जब तक वो लीगल नहीं होता तब तक I personally, like my belief is कि जब तक वो लीगल नहीं तब तक people कहते हैं कि it's going to touch 100K, 500K, वो सब होने वाला है. Because there's another thing in Bitcoin, it is finite, unlike currency. So for example, right now, US ने क्या किया था during pandemic to support the economy, they printed close to some $2-3 trillion, right? Then they put that money into the market. So they just वो कहाँ से पैसे लेके आए? They just literally they snapped the finger and that money was introduced in the market,
Created,
right?
yeah.
That's how it works. But Bitcoin में वो concept नहीं. Bitcoin only maximum Bitcoin which can be is like 21 million Bitcoins. That's it. It's
because
actually
when you are doing something, जब जैसे तुम मनी सप्लाई इंक्रीज करते हो किसी भी इकोनॉमी के अंदर, you always have the desperate fear कि तुम hyper inflate करोगे because the currency itself might fall in the long run, and
Yeah.
that is one of the worst things that can happen. Because याद
Good.
रखो, the last pandemic was 1920, उसके 9 साल बाद शुरू हुआ था अपना Great Depression, which led to a lot of those things. So it is also very it is also very creepy but also interesting कि सेंट्रल बैंक्स के हाथ में इतना ब्लेटेंट कंट्रोल है फॉर समथिंग डिसेंट्रलाइज्ड एज दिस. अर्नब, हमारे इंडिया में ना 2018 के बजट में अरुण जेटली ने कहा था कि इंडिया को बिटकॉइन को तो एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेंगे. अभी तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने वो बोल दिया कि तुम बैन नहीं कर सकते, बट
Yeah.
उसने एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज बोली थी तब कि blockchain technology in itself is not bad, and that's where the digital currency aspect of it came. Because तब याद है इंडिया में पूरा ये स्कैम एनपीएस का क्राइसिस चल रहा था, ये नीरव मोदी
Yeah.
एंड विजय माल्या वाला पूरा. तो तब था कि डिजिटल करेंसी इंडिया, चाइना, यूएस वगैरह बोल रहे हैं कि प्रिंट करेंगे. ईयू ने बोला कि वो भी प्रिंट करेंगे, विच वाज एसेंशियली कि वो उनका कंट्रोल किया हुआ पेपर का पैसा भी बच जाएगा, कंप्लीटली डिजिटल, एंड दे विल यूज ब्लॉकचेन टू the technology, blockchain technology will be used to maintain ledger so that transparency काफी ज्यादा होगी. They said 2018 के बजट में. So
Yeah,
do you think governments can use that in their favor?
So in general, people की expectation वही है कि Bitcoin is just a way of promoting this technology, right? When Bitcoin का hype actually क्या होगा Bitcoin का, no one knows. I mean, if anyone comes and tells you कि oh Bitcoin ये होने वाला है, they are foolish. I mean, no one actually knows. अच्छे से अच्छे economists अपने guess मार चुके हैं, but no
Musk
one knows
says
how.
invest in Dogecoin or whatever the.
Yeah, but then even he doesn't know, right? I mean, he first accepted
Yeah.
Bitcoin, then he went back on it.
But
So-
yeah,
No,
he did.
so no. But my
Didn't
question was,
Kanye-
Arnav,
didn't Kanye West,
is blockchain itself reliable in your opinion?
Yeah, so
वो
blockchain
reliable
is
है?
definitely can be a game changer thing in a lot of industries, not just cryptocurrency, right? In a
Hmm.
lot of currencies, blockchain is, because as I mentioned, it is extremely secure. Blockchain ka concept.
Yeah.
It is first of all very transparent, right? And जैसे for example, lot of companies are trying to build social media on top of blockchain. अभी क्या हुआ ट्रम्प के आने के बाद, and जो इंडिया में हो रहा है, right? People blocking companies लोगों को ब्लॉक करती हैं, या गवर्नमेंट इज पुटिंग बैन ऑन कंपनीज, ये सब जो हो रहा है. So now blockchain में क्या है, they don't have a control on all these things. It is decentralized, literally, right? So everyone has their own copy of it. उस database की मान के चलो, I'm talking in very simple terms right now. Everyone has their own copy of that database, right? And उसमें आप कुछ भी सेव कर सकते हो उन blocks के अंदर. Anyway, it can be as simple as मेरा नाम ये है, मेरा एड्रेस ये है. It can be as simple as that, right? So you can save any information in those blocks, and it can be obviously उसके ऊपर कैसे application है, that's very very exciting. That is going to be more important than actual Bitcoin क्या कर रहा है, because
But
no one knows
Arnav,
about Bitcoin.
just to push you on that point, when you say social media platform will be built on blockchain, does that mean, what does that exactly mean? कि जो भी, for example, if Akash creates a profile, all that data is with everyone. Is that what it means? Or
Yeah,
like,
it cannot be deleted. It cannot be deleted, right? So that
so
data
basically this would be a pro free speech thing, and
exactly, yeah. So जब ट्रम्प को बैन किया ट्विटर ने,
That won't be
वो
allowed.
वो
blockchain,
पार
yeah.
नहीं होगी किसी के पास भी.
वो
Yeah,
पार
that
नहीं है किसी के
will
पास,
stay.
right?
You
That
won't
record
be
is
able to
going to
ban,
stay,
yeah.
right?
That's
Unless
very interesting.
so it is
ऐसा
a very
कुछ है
different. अभी तो I mean there are very very small applications जहाँ पे actually है Twitter का literally clone है, जहाँ पे you can go and create an account, and which is
Cool.
no,
Oh,
not
okay.
Koo. Koo is not on blockchain. Koo is a very regular social media app. So but it will take time. It will take time, no doubt. But it is there are possibilities. There are a bunch of possibilities है वहाँ पे, right?
Hey, which one was the one which was the social media app that Trump had like started an
Yeah, I
account
forgot
on
the name.
during the attack?
I don't know.
But even yeah, I mean that's not related to blockchain at all. I mean that's a regular social media app. That's not like, and actually that वो ban हो गया था app again. So now वो उस app को ही ban कर दिया उन्होंने. That's वो तो
What was the name of that app?
I forgot that name.
याद है हमने
क्या
बात
था?
करी थी उसके बारे
Yeah,
में.
we talked about it. We actually had उसको तो like उस app को cloud providers ने ban कर दिया था.
I'll search
Does-
for it while you guys
does
are talking.
does blockchain give you any form of data security in terms of like
Yeah, it does.
hackability
Yeah,
and things
because
like that.
now वो ना जो मैं बताया कि उसकी उस डेटा की कॉपी in very simple terms is on everyone's device in very simple terms, huh? So now if someone has to hack it, for example, you can build इसमें जो बिटकॉइन में कहते हैं वर्क ऑफ प्रूफ कि भाई 51% have to actually verify that transaction, right? So similar things can be कि majority has to approve that kind of a block before it gets added to that chain. So इसमें ऐसा नहीं है कि एक जगह को आपने हैक कर लिया and then you're good to go, जो अभी होता है, जो बैंक्स होती है ये सब अभी क्या होता है, they have a central system, right? So if you are able to manage to get into that system, data can be compromised वहां पे, but
It's
blockchain में ऐसा नहीं है.
Steemit. Steemit? STEEMIT? Is that it?
नहीं. That might be
Pioneers in this field and built on the Steem blockchain. Steemit
Oh,
is one of
wait.
the most popular blockchain social networks.
Oh, you're
of all
talking about
time.
Trump wala app, or you're talking about in?
I thought there was a free speech app that was banned, no, by Amazon and everyone.
Yeah, what Kevin is talking about, it's a regular social media app, not based on
Okay.
blockchain. जहाँ पे
Oh,
ट्रम्प ने
okay.
ज्वाइन किया था. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I thought you were talking about a blockchain.
No, no, scratch that. Nobody cares about that. I was just saying, I think Arnav was answering my question, but like having information, everyone's information, even though they're linked to each other, how does that help with data security? Now it's even more accessible.
It
for
is
everyone, right?
accessible, but you actually don't know किसकी information.
It's anonymous, no? It's
It is
anonymous.
anonymous. So the information is not stored in a, ऐसा नहीं लिखा होने वाला कि उसपे कि अरे इसका name is Kevin John,
Yeah.
for example. It's not. I'm giving you a very very simple way, but it's not that simple. It's not like
You will see the level of transaction, na? And Kevin, how it's being done by the government is China or India में the RBI and the People's Bank of China, they will be the only ones who will be able to access this digital currency, and both countries will save a lot of money on printing. Like both countries का biggest problem है जब आप पैसे print करने में बहुत खर्चे होते हैं, because आप पैसे को print करते हो, फिर उसको process करते हो, फिर उसको अलग अलग ATMs में डालते हो, transport करते हो एक location से, बहुत वो लगते हैं. And दोनों countries में corruption is a huge issue. तो नॉर्मल केस में तेरी बात एकदम सही है कि एवरीवन विल हैव एक्सेस टू इट, वो गलत होगा. बट हाउ इट इज गोइंग टू बी इंटरप्रेटेड इन डिजिटल करेंसी वेज कि everyone, each of the centralized banks will have control over it, but now the bank itself will have a great idea कि अच्छा ये transaction ऐसा हुआ है यहाँ पे. That's why I asked him कि वो कितना reliable है, because both governments have already said it. China has already started it, US and EU have already shown interest, और इंडिया में RBI ने 3 साल पहले बोल दिया था कि हम शुरू कर रहे हैं. कब होगा पता नहीं, डिजिटल रूपी, बट
and there is also blockchain में in there also like एक permission type का होता है, एक permissionless. So permissionless is more for public blockchain जहाँ पे anyone can actually join. But for example banks हैं या कोई security कुछ है, like if you're creating those kind of blockchain applications, you can actually, they will be a gated thing. Not anyone can join that blockchain. So वहां पे वो permission वाले होते हैं, वहां पे banks will be using those kind of blockchains, those kind of concepts on blockchain. So it's not like कि कल को मैं बैठा हूँ I can go and access JP Morgan का blockchain. It's not going to be like that. It is a, I mean मैं अभी समझाने के लिए बता रहा हूँ कि वो blockchain is available on everyone's device, but there can be ways to gate that also.
But I feel this doesn't solve a problem either, right? Like you said, only people who can access is People Bank, China's bank, and India's RBI. So then, if that is the case, how does that change from
that's for digital
where
currency.
like
That's
these guys are
Kevin,
the ones who
that's for
determine?
national digital currency जब release होती है. In general, blockchain का कोई open source है, तो anyone and everyone can access it. जो countries are planning to do, जैसे चाइना में all Bitcoin का वो trading वगैरह, क्रिप्टो करेंसी का trading वगैरह बैन हो चुका है, हटा चुके हैं. इंडिया में बैन था, वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने रिवर्स कर दिया कि आप outright बैन नहीं कर सकते. तो हुआ ये है कि each of these countries are coming up with regulations for वो खुद की digital currency निकालेंगे. बिटकॉइन के अगेंस्ट एडवाइजरी है ऑफिशियल आरबीआई की राइट नाउ कि आप नहीं कर सकते उसमें इन्वेस्ट, और ये सेफ नहीं है, बहुत फ्लक्चुएशन होगी, पैसा जाएगा, बेवकूफी मत करो. बट जो अर्नब जो डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है, दैट इज फॉर इन जनरल जो क्रिप्टो करेंसी होती है, उसमें जो भी इसमें इन्वॉल्व है वो ट्रांजैक्शन देख सकते हैं. देयर इट इज सेफर,
एंड जैसे
सेफर बिकॉज की कोई हैक वैक नहीं कर सकता. वैसे इंडिया में भी क्या हुआ था, वो लाइट भी अक्टूबर में प्रॉब्लम हुई थी ना, कि बोला कि 5 of our power sources and power buildings were attacked, एंड वो लोगों का डर आ गया था कि अभी कोई हमारे बैंकिंग सेक्टर को कोई अटैक करेगा तो क्या होगा. तो उसमें इट बिकम्स अ स्ट्रेटेजिक एडवांटेज कि इवन इफ वन थिंग गोज डाउन, एवरीथिंग एल्स इज नॉट क्रिपल्ड फॉर गुड.
So इसमें दो Kevin, I think I will repeat that. So दो चीजें उसमें security element है main is one is that cryptographic hash, right? So that unique hash for each block. First of all, it is extremely hard to guess. No one can guess it. And then each block, since it's in a chronological order, each block has a link to its previous hash. So इसका so Kevin अगर एक block है तो Kevin को पता है मेरा previous block कौन होना चाहिए. If that changes, आगे के सारे block becomes invalid. So that's one. So those cryptographic hash, those are like math functions which produce those hash output based on data, time, and you can like there are n number of ways of doing all those things. But then second is consensus protocol. So consensus protocol is kind of proper term, but like basically it is the majority has to approve that that particular block before it gets added to blockchain. So that also is built. So now any transaction, so इसलिए first clear वो दिख गया इसका application कि since it's a transaction, is it approved or not? 15% says if it's approved, and it's not like yes or no approved, by the way. It has to go through, it is a complex process of approval, the consensus protocol. And you can actually build your own systems. What should the protocol look like? So it is basically a very, very free speech kind of a thing. If majority approves, it is fine. If not, then it's not part of that blockchain.
So, Amrit, when can you get us all Bitcoin? I was going to say blockchain. Bitcoin.
I can get you blocked, Akash. I think that happens to you.
नहीं नहीं
regularly
अमृत
anyways.
खरीद ना अमृत. You have contacts with your stockbroker. Tell him find Bitcoin. for you.
भाई I have access to the app. उसमें वो broker भी एक बात नहीं मानता. मुझे कोई भी चीज में वो अपने आप बोलता है मैं खरीदूंगा तू चुप रह.
I like he's like
बेशरम आदमी.
let me buy Amazon. Broker's just like Amazon खरीदेगा.
मुझे कोई
Yeah,
बात नहीं मानता.
It's very new. ये सारी बहुत नई चीजें. So it will be fascinating to see how
I
in
think
next few years
Dogecoin
things
went
change.
up. People buying because Musk tweeted that it's going to be a huge in the future
Yeah.
or something. And
But that went up and then everything.
Thankfully, I
गिर
looked
गया.
it up because
Yeah.
I would have instead of
Akash
buying
didn't-
one BTC, I would have said I would go and one BTS दे दो मुझको. Thankfully, हमें नाम वाम पता है ढंग से कि क्या होता है, किस चीज से क्या मिलता है. But yeah, ये बहुत interesting topic था.
Akash, didn't Kanye West
Kanye.
try to start one of his? Didn't he also try to start a Bitcoin?
I'm not
हो सकता है. I mean,
sure.
now
It
there's
sounds-
so many
yeah.
coins out there.
There's a load of them.
Kevin भाई तू
Litecoin.
बोल क्या रहा है? अर्नव को लेके हम लॉन्च करें बोल. अर्नव ने
हाँ,
इतना
okay.
ज्ञान दिया
Give
हमें.
give a
It
name.
is-
Give a name.
Bele.
नहीं.
It's
The way
by the way, it's not like going on some computer and then click launch. मेरा नाम ये होना चाहिए and that coin gets launched.
Yeah.
It's not like
If
that,
there
by
were-
the way.
if there were-
Amrit,
that-
Oh,
Arnav, haven't you watched
Arnav, that
Players?
was the problem
Kanye-
with how we
Kanye.
got stuck in this podcast. It was so easy to make a podcast.
He started-
कि हम फंस
he
गए.
Kevin's right. He started a cryptocurrency called Coinye.
But अभी
Coin-
recently past एक महीने में क्या हुआ? Because China China is banning mining. That's the process of basically verification of that, right? So that showed कि China is not in favor of all these cryptocurrencies right now.
भाई ईरान में अभी हाइपर इन्फ्लेशन चल रहा है तो दे हैड टू चेंज देयर 10,000 के नोट्स को वो करने के लिए उन्हें करना पड़ा. तो अभी उनके वहाँ डीजल वगैरह की दिक्कत हो रही है बिकॉज लोग कंप्यूटर्स को एक एक करके बहुत सारे कंप्यूटर्स को मिला के नेटवर्क करके बिटकॉइन माइनिंग की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. दैट इज कॉजिंग शॉर्टेज एंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फ्यूल्स वगैरह ईरान में. तो लाइक अगेन सी दिस देयर इज अ एनर्जी फैक्टर वगैरह दैट कम्स इनटू दिस व्हिच इज a side effect which is negative, but let us see how this journey
Yes, let us see when one of us owns Bitcoin. We will talk about any form of
We
cryptocurrency.
should have done it when Bitcoin was launched. The mining was very because so by the way mining का जो you get reward no, so आपको actually Bitcoin मिलते हैं when you mine, right? But now the way it is very smartly created कि it is getting half. That reward is getting half. So इसलिए वो finite 21 million इसलिए so by 2041 or something you won't be getting any reward back. So that time that Bitcoin will be maximum 21 million. तो उसके ऊपर जा ही नहीं सकता वो.
वो सब तो सही है but दूसरी चीज पे अगर बात करें
Yes, we shall talk about
this is Kevin's topic by the way. So Kevin, take us away.
Kevin, yes, we're going to talk about Fame India. What does it stand for again, Kevin? It stands for foster adoption. I read about it and manufacturing of EV, hybrid and EV, right?
Electrical.
Oh,
In India,
Akash,
Fame
अभी
India.
माइक उतार दे और भाग जा बाहर यहाँ से.
हाँ.
Dude,
I know what it
you
stands
don't
for,
deserve
but
to say.
Kevin, explain to everyone what it is.
Akash, what industry is it under? कौन सी ministry के अंदर आता है वो?
It's
The car manufacturing industry, electric cars and everything.
No. what is the ministry India में जिसके अंदर आता है?
No. I just read what the
Because
thing.
it's faster adoption.
Yeah, faster adoption in
It's
manufacturing,
faster adoption and
manufacturing of hybrid
of
and
hybrid
EV
and electrical
vehicles, yeah.
vehicles.
No, I read that.
He was right. You guys just
So
laughing at
we
Yeah,
will,
him.
हम तो
Poor
हंसेंगे.
guy.
हमने कब
No,
बोला
no,
हम गलत है? लेकिन
Amrit just wants an opportunity to laugh at anything. But Kevin, explain what it is to everyone.
So essentially, what they did was in 2019 they started the FAME subsidy number, like category 1, in which the subsidies were about 10,000 per kilowatt on the motor. So the power of the motor was the basis of the judgment of how much subsidy you get. So that was not exactly a very successful scheme. So it wasn't really successful in the market. However, the FAME subsidy 2 was essentially they increased that subsidy by 50%. Now it's 15,000 per kilowatt hour on the battery. So on the battery pack, it's 15,000 per kilowatt hour. Kilowatt hour, for those who don't know, it's kWh. It's the battery rating, so
गाड़ी कितनी तेज
on
जाती
that
है?
you can get up to 30,000 subsidy per vehicle.
But गाड़ी,
So if you have a 2 kilowatt
Hello,
hour battery
sir, doubt.
or a 3 kilowatt hour battery,
how fast गाड़ी go?
What rubbish.
How fast is the car?
How
0 to
fast
what?
गाड़ी
कितना
go?
देती है?
fuck off,
Fast
Amrit.
गाड़ी go.
पूछ रहा हूँ. अब अगर मैं
It'll go as fast as it'll go as fast as you want, but you are going to drive it still at 30 kilometers per hour. So it doesn't matter,
Wow,
Amrit.
dissing. मैं पूछ रहा था सीरियसली, इलेक्ट्रिक गाड़ियां बहुत स्लो चलती है, कैसे चलती है?
यार दो तरीके के होते हैं.
Okay.
तो अब तक तो काफी हद तक इंडस्ट्री हैज बीन फोकसिंग ऑन लो स्पीड ईवी स्कूटर्स, essentially for city transit, जहाँ पे
This is specifically in
मतलब
India, obviously.
and that's all you need. 42 kilometers per hour speed पे ही जाते हैं. Because if you look at a GPS in Trivandrum, for example, if you look at GPS, it is not estimating. If it tells you it's going to take you 10 minutes to reach somewhere, it's not estimating whether you're going to go on 60 kilometers per hour, or you have the ability to go on 100 kilometer hour, and it is estimating that time. No, it is estimating based on 30 kilometers per hour or 25 kilometers per hour, which is the realistic average when you travel in a city.
Okay.
Even on a highway, the average is about calculated based on 45 kilometers per hour. And no matter how fast you go, you're going to take roughly that much time itself because of road conditions and traffic and things like those. So आप एक पॉइंट पे मतलब 5 मिनट 60 किलोमीटर पर आवर पे जा सकते हो, बट आखिरी में अगर आप 2 घंटे 20 किलोमीटर पर गए तो वही एवरेज आपका 20 के पास ही रहेगा, वो 60 के पास नहीं रहता. तो यही पर्सपेक्टिव आई थिंक इट टुक अ व्हाइल फॉर इंडिया टू अंडरस्टैंड कि low speed scooters, that's why they started selling, because people realized city mein that's all I need. I don't need a vehicle that can go 70-80.
Yeah.
But now that was an entry for the EV industry, but that was a negative part for people because there were a lot of young souls saying that यार मुझे तो मेरी गाड़ी अभी की गाड़ी तो 60-70 पे जाती है तो मेरे को भी चाहिए. So that is why instead of this kilowatt motor rating, we went with the battery, because the battery is the true essence of the electrical vehicle. तो इसलिए ये जो सब्सिडी है वो बैटरी पैक पे डाला है. तो मतलब अगर आप 1 किलोवाट आवर का बैटरी पैक डालते हो आपको 15,000 मिलेगा. अगर 2 किलोवाट और 3 किलोवाट डालोगे तो 30,000 इज द मैक्स.
तो सरकार आपको मैन्युफैक्चरर को उतने पैसे देगी बेस्ड ऑफ आप कितनी स्ट्रांग वो कितनी चार्ज. आई एम अज्यूमिंग जितने किलोवाट आवर
मैन्युफैक्चरर को नहीं, कस्टमर
अगर तुम खरीद रहे हो उसको मिल रही है. ओ तो मतलब जितने किलोवाट आवर बढ़ रहे हैं, अज्यूमिंग दैट मींस कि द बाइक विल गो दैट मच लॉन्गर. इज दैट द लॉजिक?
It will be cheaper for the customer. So what will happen is the dealership will sell. So the dealership will buy the vehicle from the manufacturer, say at 70,000. ठीक है. Now उस पे अगर 15,000 का सब्सिडी काउंट हुआ उस पे, तो वो 15,000 के subsidy मतलब the dealership is going to sell it at 55 and the remaining 15,000 का जो difference है that will be
covered by the
compensated
government.
by the state government or the central government. Yes.
Oh,
So it is
So it's a
cheaper for the
subsidy,
customer.
basically.
तो ना
It's
तो
a
government
subsidy.
तो ये
And
government
it's a
subsidy है
10,000 crore worth of subsidy.
हाँ तो the
And this is a
government
great move by the government. It is
no
a
no
great move
Kevin
by the
तो मैं
government and the
जब तो जब
adoption
मैं
for it is
दुकान
a
जाऊँ
very smart move.
जब मैं दुकान जाऊंगा तो मैं तो कट वाला फाइनल कट रेट मुझे पे करना है ना राइट आई जस्ट हैव टू पे द
Correct.
आई हैव टू पे तो मुझे तो कट होके वो होगा कस्टमर के सर पे ये हेडेक नहीं है कि मुझे इतना वो करना है वो डीलर ही संभालेगा
Yeah, customer doesn't have to go and get a refund.
yeah so
It's
they
like an incentive.
dealer and others will deal with it yeah no that's a very good move
Correct.
Kevin ये जो तू क्योंकि तू इस इंडस्ट्री में एक्टिवली इन्वॉल्व है यार तुम्हें लोग पूछते हैं कि यार इस चीज को ये जो चार्ज करना होता है इसको चार्ज कहाँ पे करते हैं लोग जैसे टेस्ला वगैरह
Yeah,
The
supercharging.
majority, 95% people charge it at their home, including
Yeah.
Tesla as well. They charge it at their home.
हाँ,
Okay, let's
इंडिया में
let's
कैसे
not
करते
take
हैं?
Tesla. Let's
इंडिया में
take
कैसे करते
India.
हैं?
Let's take India into picture. Let's charge it for 60 kilometers. India mein everyday man does not cross 60 kilometers. We are not that big of a country either. To be honest, to be covering 60 kilometers every day. So, even if you buy the basics of basic electrical vehicle, a good basic company, not like some random ass company, if you buy a decent electrical vehicle, you're going to get about 60 kilometers minimum at the cheapest rate. तो अगर 60 किलोमीटर्स लो स्पीड पे तुम्हें मिल रहा है तुम्हारे दिन का तो ट्रैवल तो गारंटीड उसमें कवर ही हो जाएगा आराम से इनफैक्ट आधे लोग मेजॉरिटी लोग के लिए 2 दिन का कवरेज होता है एंड वंस दे आर डन दे रिमूव द बैटरी एंड टेक इट होम एंड चार्ज इट
Kevin, I was going to ask you a stupid question. तो it's a removable battery जो आप घर में किसी नॉर्मल जगह पे जाके प्लग इन करके चार्ज करते हो. Is that it? कैसा होता है?
Correct.
बैटरी क्या होता है?
Correct.
Like literally you take it out and तुम घर के अंदर ले जाके. If you're assuming you live in a flat, तूने सिटी
हाँ.
का एग्जांपल दिया, तो I'm assuming कि तुम फ्लैट में आए वापस और तुम ऑफिस से जाके वापस आ गए.
करेक्ट
तो मुझे चार्ज कैसे करते हो? क्योंकि मैंने किसी टेस्ला की वीडियोस देखे हैं. Not actually ever seen a Tesla.
As
The
a
Tesla is
charger,
different.
you get a charger, you get a laptop charger जैसा
Amrit,
charger.
जो Kevin बता रहा है, that's first of all for specifically for India and very
Yeah.
specific kind of vehicles because India is very new to this thing, right? India is
हाँ.
India is not producing Tesla. Right?
Yep.
Tesla के लिए you can't charge it at home, from what I understand. You don't.
No, I thought
No,
they-
you can.
you can
Arnav,
pay for a
you
pump,
can, Arnav.
electronic,
Yeah, you
whatever,
can.
what
Yeah,
it's
you
called,
can have
charger
it built at
to be
home. वो
installed.
मैंने देखा है कि लोग
Oh no,
अपने
no, वही
That
कह रहा हूँ
on
कि
my
मैं
garage
yeah,
के
yeah. It's
No,
not
that's
like
a
you can
different
plug it
thing.
into a
I'm
socket. Basically, Arnav is saying.
But it's a slow
Yeah,
charging.
so
Arnav. It's a
Kevin,
slow
can we
charging for
plug it in
Tesla.
our home socket and let's say I have a bungalow कि
Yeah.
मेरे पास बाहर parking lot में एक वो outlet है, can I actually plug it in and charge that way? Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. A regular port can work because I think I cannot talk for others. It is for others also. I can say it is the same thing. Essentially, everyone's following the same idea. So it's like for us, it's like a 10 ampere charger. You just connect it within 3 hours. It goes from 0 to 100%. So 3 hours is
Okay.
not bad. Or a lot of people will just take the charger with them to work and just charge it at work. That's another option. So it cuts out your
Yeah, that's what
electricity
at least
expense.
in US because obviously network काफी अच्छा है Tesla का इनका, so we don't have to actually charge at home. Even like in an apartment, we have a electric charger, car charger, जहाँ पे we can plug it in. All the offices they have a specific spots where you can go and park. But obviously India is behind in all these things. So I think as Kevin mentioned, कि
And I think a lot of petrol stations have now come up with charging stations like BP and Indian Oil have planned to put electric charging facility on every single
That would be good. That
petrol
would be good.
station.
मैंने अभी तक देखा नहीं है. मेरे रूट में जो 2 आते हैं मैंने वहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ कभी देखा नहीं है.
Actually, Amrit, Kerala has been a little behind in
No,
adoption
because we
of
have
EV.
not, no, Kevin, हमारे यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिक ऑटो बहुत है. Electric autos नहीं है.
अभी भी Arnav,
They have a lot of those here.
you will be surprised. Actually, I feel North has adopted it a lot
Kevin, I have
more
a
faster.
question.
Even Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, Telangana also in South have adopted it very fast. Kerala is still a little
So-
behind, but I think we'll get
I have
there.
a question. जो तूने अभी phase 1 और जो phase 2 को extend किया है उन्होंने अभी जो describe किया वो सब उससे actually कुछ उन्होंने government ने कुछ data निकाली. Is it actually helping the market of EV? Like are
Industry.
people actually going to
Oh, absolutely. it is single-handedly ruined my sleep because we are working on product launches. That creates a lot of pressure because now all of a sudden you can get up to 30,000 subsidy on a vehicle. So now say if I was planning on a vehicle that costs 90,000, potentially if I use my subsidy, if I have subsidy in my mind, and if I build that vehicle correctly, I can probably get up to 30,000 subsidy potentially in a
या मैं देख रहा
vehicle.
हूँ यहाँ पे
तो जैसे 1.2 lakh का vehicle can cost for 90,000, you can
मार्केट
sell
में
it.
सारी
Which is
गाड़ी
amazing.
70 to 1 लाख के बीच में और मिनिमम 100 किलोमीटर पर चार्ज कह रहे हो.
And that's
Yeah,
actually like, if you think about
America-
the average Indian, that's a huge amount, right? I mean, to spend on a two-wheeler,
Yeah.
for example. I mean, that's a significant amount. So if if they're getting the subsidy, I guess it helps. But I don't know if people are actually going and buying it or not.
And there is a big difference. For example, I think for us, we always tell this to our people. Like if someone comes to me and asks me why do I buy an EV? I tell them very one specific line: you don't buy EV because you want to go far, like mind-blowingly fast. You're buying economic. First and foremost, we are buying economical EVs. We are not buying
Correct.
Teslas. Okay, so we are going for economical as first, and then I tell them for every kilometer you're paying 10 paise. Whereas if you buy like a brand like say Activa is one of the most well-known brands in India. Honda Activa, you're spending 3 to 4 rupees per kilometer. So I tell them just do the math and that will figure out. Then that will answer whether you want to buy a EV vehicle or not.
अभी
Actually, can
पैसे
you-
अभी पेट्रोल के दाम इतने संकी हो चुके हैं 80-90 पे बैठे हैं भाई अभी.
Apart
That
from
is
money
ridiculous.
angle,
तू 80-90 पे बोल रहा है? We are Rajasthan में it's
So-
107, 110.
So the adoption rate has been trending up, yeah, for all these EV vehicles in India.
Absolutely, all companies are just running behind it, including myself. The company I work for, we are running after it. There is a huge difference. I think it's a very positive step the government has done for this
I mean-
time, and that's something I never accept, but like I'm actually
नहीं,
accepting
apart from
something.
like ये जो incentives दिए हैं,
Modi is
इसके
doing good.
अलावा can you actually, I hope कोई अपना audience,
Akash, now let's not
क्योंकि
go
बहुत
there
से लोग
now.
इवन आई एम लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल अगर मेरे डैड कहते हैं कि अरे मुझे ईवी बाय करनी है, नॉट अ कार बट अ टू व्हीलर इंडिया में, सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में भी अरे कि चार्जिंग का क्या होगा. सो एक्चुअली कैन यू केविन थोड़ा आइडिया देता है कि इज इट घर में चार्ज करना, हाउ मच इज इट वेरी लाइक इज इट गुड इनफ कि आप ओवरनाइट चार्ज करके यू कैन चार्ज योर टू व्हीलर?
Arey, it takes okay. So I can only talk about products that I am familiar with.
Sure.
The ones that offer fast charging are usually get charged from 0 to 100% in 3 hours max.
3
Oh,
hours,
that's
okay.
pretty good.
Yeah.
एंड इसका
So it
रेंज
is
कितना
really-
है? इसका रेंज कितना है जो तू बता रहा है?
So we have 60 kilometers, 80 kilometers, 100 kilometers, 120
So
kilometers.
easily good for a day.
Mhm.
Easily.
Yeah.
I mean,
Fine.
majority people are not going to travel 60 kilometers per day.
No way.
And these
Mhm.
batteries have a life of 7 years. So the reason why they say 7 years is because at the 7th year is when they say that the performance of the battery is below 80% of its promised value. So then they're considering it as end of life
Yeah, we
for
are
the battery.
एक depreciation of sorts set in हो जाएगा.
Because
Kevin,
Exactly.
Kevin, तो बेसिकली बाय दैट एंड जो तेरा वो है, अगर आप सिटी एरियाज में रह रहे होंगे, इंडिया की अर्बन पॉपुलेशन इज गोइंग टू गो अप टू अराउंड 40-45% मोर. 40% ऑफ आवर पॉपुलेशन इज गोइंग टू लिव इन अर्बन एरियाज अगले 5-10 साल में. आई थिंक अभी भी ऑलरेडी काफी हैं. तो उनके लिए वर्क प्लेस जितना भी दूर हो, मैक्सिमम 20 किलोमीटर वन वे हो सकता है. तो 20-40 किलोमीटर से ज्यादा हो बहुत कम होगा सबका ट्रैवल. तो दैट वे इट इज रिडिकुलसली गुड. तो और तू कह रहे 3 घंटे में चार्ज हो जाती है फास्ट चार्जिंग.
Correct.
और अगर तुम 9-10 बजे घर भी आ रहे हो, सुबह अज्यूम 8 बजे भी जा रहे हो, दैट लीव्स मोर देन इनफ टाइम टू
Absolutely.
get
And it's
charged.
very
And
convenient. that way.
the reason why the low speed is a great option and the high speed is obviously high speed matlab 50 plus is considered high speed in India because you need RTO registration at 50 and above. So 50 and below. So now if a vehicle is going at 42 to 45, that is considered low speed, but you don't need any registration. You buy it out of the dealership and you just start driving. So that is a great thing for like young adults, or especially like those who are going to
Yeah.
school and they're like 16, 17 years old.
Plus,
They
even
can't go
for
that fast.
people who just recently have joined the industries, right? I mean, जो new grads हैं उन सब के लिए, it's a pretty
And
good cost
new
saving
people in
also
the
for them.
new people in the workforce, and especially for those who are environmentally conscious, it's a very good
But
landing strip.
that's an interesting point. मुझे पता नहीं था कि you can actually take the battery out. Like if you live in a building, you can actually take it to your
Yeah, that
apartment
was
and
my
charge
only
it.
doubt. कि ऐसा
I
कैसे
didn't
होता है?
think that was possible either, actually.
Yeah,
And,
मुझे
but
पता नहीं था.
Essentially, we also like I think we were like, one of the things like my founders used to work on was, like you said, Arnav. See, now if your dad is who's a little older, now if the battery weighs like 6 kilos or 5 kilos, it could be heavy for him.
Mhm.
So there is an alternate where you can take, like, you know what, like we are providing lithium iron phosphate batteries.
Mhm.
Now that is LFP, which has the longest life,
Mhm.
but they are a little bit more heavier. Now, if you want a 3 or 4 kilo battery, which is like the NMC, it's called nickel manganese copper battery.
Mhm.
In that case, those are lighter. So there are options in the market that caters towards that specific battery is made for older people, or like very young women or something like that. That was the idea behind it.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
remember we discussed in one of our episodes, just when we were talking about renewable energy or what's up, right? And even that time we
Climate
discussed
change
about, I think this is one industry which is going to be very, very fascinating for India, especially two-wheeler wali, because as we all know, India may, especially in big cities or
two-wheeler, it's a
two-wheeler dominates the market,
two-wheeler.
right?
No, and the
Very
game
dominant.
And
changing
zero
thing
noise.
is the game changing thing is not even any of the other things. The fact that उसकी charging घर पे हो सकती है, because majority of urban India lives in flats in the cities.
And India में to build a network of charges, it's more complex. And अगर सब घर पे
Yeah.
charge कर रहे हैं,
Yeah.
that's such
घर
a
This is
पे
a
plus
घर
point.
भाई
extremely convenient. Extremely convenient.
it's like the laptop thing ना. सबके घर में जब लैपटॉप आए, इंटरनेट कैफे वगैरह का सेटिंग अप तो हार्ड था, बट इफ एवरीवन हैज cheap laptops in the house, then digital connectivity on its own बढ़ जाती है, because then it's a personal responsibility instead of a work. So that way I think
And
for the next
and
generation
अगर तुम
it's an amazing
सोचोगे,
thing.
Activa is so expensive. Activa is one of the most famous vehicles. I believe it's close to 1 lakh now,
Yeah,
if not more
1
than
lakh
Wait,
10,
what?
1 lakh 10
1 lakh
की Activa.
10,000, by the way.
अरे मैं
And
खरीदने गया
Activa
था
is
ना
1 lakh
जनवरी
10,000.
में. I am a buyer of scooter and मैं तो पेट्रोल वाली ली है. तो
यार हमने we
और
got Activa
Amrit-
some 10
Amrit,
years
you-
back or something. It was nowhere close to 1 lakh.
yeah,
Amrit,
because
so you get a equivalent EV scooter that goes as fast as an Activa. If okay, not the maximum speed of Activa, but it will go to like 65, 70
yeah,
easily
Kevin,
at the cost of 70,000. And how
Kevin,
many people over
it is
here are going to
nobody.
drive above 70 kilometers per hour?
कोई नहीं जाता यार. मैं बता रहा हूँ तुझे, हमने ली थी लिटरली बिकॉज कि घर के अराउंड छोटे मोटे कामों के लिए एक वो चाहिए थी. हर बात पे गाड़ी वगैरह लेके जाना वाज अ वेरी ह्यूज कम्बरसम थिंग. तो बट हम ऑब्वियसली सिंस आई एम एक्सट्रीमली आई वेंट टू द फर्स्ट डीलरशिप हमारे यहाँ पे. देयर इज नो concept of electric vehicles or anything around here.
And I think that's one thing, like a lot of people actually don't know about it, right? I mean, now I think slowly, yeah. I mean, both of
very good topic, वैसे education.
Yeah, I learned something new.
Kevin, I want your founders to deposit money in a bank account that I'll give you later, because we've advertised your company way too much in this. You kept saying my company offers this option. My company.
I didn't say the name, by the way. I never said the name
Yeah,
of the
actually,
company.
you said my
company. It's not advertisement.
Maybe you
Yeah.
should,
I
Kevin.
did
I
not.
mean,
Yeah,
for
Kevin,
people in
Actually,
English,
yeah, you should.
No.
Kevin works for Vimal Gupta. So yeah. So
it's called it's a startup in Rajasthan. It's called
Yeah.
Battery, Kevin. If I'm not wrong.
Yeah,
it's
Arnav, no,
BATRI.
Amrit said it's called Kevin's company or something.
Yeah, that's what I told an uncle. मेरे friend Kevin की company है.
But they are
That's how
building
describe करता है Akash.
low
but it's
cost.
good work.
मेरी दीदी my sister की contracting agency सरकार के साथ है, तो मेरी मम्मी कहती है वो government का सारा काम संभालती है. So, same way if Kevin works in a company, yeah, Kevin की company है भाई, क्या बात कर रहे हो? And also I forgot the name completely. Battery.
I didn't know about this charging at home thing, that you can remove the battery. That's really cool, actually.
Yeah, Akash, would someone as astronomically rich as you buy something like this?
Never, man. I have standards. But moving on.
Akash needs a Lexus.
Moving on. Let's just talk about, since there wasn't much to talk about during this week on current trending topics. Let's just talk
चलना
about
भाई गेम खेलते हैं।
what rubbish was that? It's Arnav.
अर्नब
Arnav
वीडियो
was
देख
Let's
रहा
just
watching-
talk about what. On that note, Arnav was watching something. Let's just talk about what we've been currently watching and how it's been
हाँ,
going.
Too hot to
मैं-
handle,
मेरा क्या
आकाश।
मेरा क्या हुआ है, मुझे ना कोविशील्ड मिला है, तो मुझे 2 दिन से बुखार चल रहा है, तो मैंने ज्यादा कुछ देखा
Must
नहीं।
have been watching.
Amrit, stop saying this. No, बुखार कुछ नहीं, वो नौटंकी कर रहा है. You hassle, Amrit.
Kevin
But,
is saying you have
okay,
to give
full disclosure-
positive reinforcement for the vaccine.
फुल
not,
डिस्क्लोजर, मेरी पत्नी को कुछ नहीं हुआ, मेरे पेरेंट्स को भी कुछ नहीं हुआ, मुझे भाई बुखार हो गया 2 दिन से।
You are
यहाँ
weak,
पे
Amrit.
डोलो 650 के नाम से
your immune system is
अरे मुझे
shit.
पता है। अरे अजीब है, पर मैं मान रहा हूँ अजीब।
But
उसे
anyway,
मुझे बताने की क्या
So
जरूरत है?
you haven't watched anything new, Amrit?
I've been watching the trilogy of
मैंने लोकी देखा है,
Planet of the Apes.
लोकी।
I've never watched it
Huh?
before.
What have you never watched,
मुझे
Kevin? I
नहीं
asked
है।
Amrit, but you answered.
Planet of the Apes.
Oh, the old one or the new one? The Rise of Planet
All
of the
the
Apes.
3 movies, the 2011, 2017.
Oh, they're good. They're good series.
2014.
They're good series. Actually,
Yeah.
they're decent. Good,
The-
decent.
I'm watching the third
Kevin,
movie
there's
now.
there's another great
Andy
trilogy
Serkis.
called Lord of the Rings. चाहिए तो वो भी देख लियो।
Yeah,
I
the same
watched
guy who
that
plays the ape.
multiple times.
The same guy who plays the ape plays Gollum, Kevin. If you
Oh.
मैंने लोकी के सेकंड और
guy-
थर्ड
Oh.
एपिसोड देखे.
The newest episode's out now, and apparently it's very shocking.
Second and third, right? Of what? Which one?
Fourth
Yeah.
episode is out
Oh, I
now,
haven't seen fourth one.
and apparently it's very shocking.
मुझे
Oh my
पसंद
God.
आया लोकी. I'm enjoying it
अरे
so far.
क्योंकि उसमें वो वापस आ जाता है ना, रॉबर्ट डाउनिंग जूनियर, इसलिए
Definitely.
he is
But-
part of it.
I've
there's a
watched
new
Sardar.
series.
Kevin, carry on. I was going to say something.
Apparently, sorry, Akash. There's a new series called Sophie, a Murder in West Cork. I don't know whether it's
This is
a
what
good
you
series or
interrupted
not.
me for. This is
Okay.
what you interrupted me for.
इसमें एंड में क्या बोला?
This
Did सोफी का वेट
Cork.
क्या बोला है? इसमें क्या बोला एंड में?
he said Cork.
Cork.
He's such a liar. He said Cork.
Oh,
I heard
okay,
it.
okay.
नहीं Kevin, first of all, we have to talk about what we have seen. Not कि अरे ये
Yeah,
अच्छा
yeah.
होगा. ऐसे तो there is endless. We have no idea क्या क्या.
Arey, Too Hot to Handle.
You watched it?
No, I watched the first episode and I
Oh,
got bored of it.
He watched
But do
it.
we? But I was going to tell you guys, do we want to do another review, because I think Amrit really enjoyed it.
We'll see on that.
मैं
मैं
We'll see on
देखूंगा.
that.
I will see too.
Okay, but I watched Sardar Ka Grandson with family.
Akash, nobody cares. We are going to talk about Too Hot
But
to Handle again.
Arnav has also watched it. I thought it's a good background movie. It's nothing more than that. Nothing more than that. You
Akash,
keep it on in
when
the
is-
background and just half pay attention to it.
Yeah,
Who's that
it-
actor, Akash?
It's your favorite Arjun Kapoor.
Okay, well, you know what
When
we
has
should
that guy
review?
been able to make a movie?
अच्छा, Netflix पे वो उसकी मूवी आई है, रे नाम से है. It's a 4 short stories about सत्यजीत रे के उसके based है. We should watch
Oh, yeah.
those.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw on Netflix. Manoj Bajpayee, na?
Yeah, अलग-अलग है. Manoj
Yeah.
Bajpayee, that guy, KK Menon. So I think
They're both good
star-
actors, dude.
cast
Very
is
good
good.
actors.
is the other guy in it? The other guy?
Hmm?
अरे the other guy.
Nawaz.
KK Menon, Amrit, KK Menon.
Nawazuddin
Nawazuddin
Siddiqui.
Siddiqui.
Ayushmann Khurrana.
अरे वही
शाहरुख
वाला
खान।
यार, अपना बंदा है
अबे,
यार, क्या बात कर रहे हो?
Amitabh Bachchan. Hrithik Roshan. Abir Khan.
बस. I think
Mirzapur actor.
shows.
I think he's
वो
talking
ही
about
है।
Pankaj
Mirzapur
Tripathi.
actor.
Pankaj
अर्नब,
Tripathi.
this is the quality of content भाई, कोई सुनता नहीं है भाई।
सही में ना?
There's someone called Gajraj Rao. I have no
आप
idea who he
फिर
is.
Oh,
इसको
he's a-
देखना, ये आ गया बीच में, ये आ
He's
जाता
a
है
great
भाई।
actor, Kevin.
अबे गजराज कौन है भाई वो?
Amrit is like, who the hell is this? And I-
अमृत you search करेगा तो you will realize कौन है वो.
Ali Fazal. Who's Ali Fazal?
Ali Faisal.
Abe, he's come in a lot of Hollywood movies.
Oh, Gajraj Rao is good. I take all of it back. When I just saw the face, he's very good.
Exactly.
He is very good.
Ali
My
Faisal is
God,
also good. Even he's a good
complete
actor.
Oh, dude, this guy's an amazing actor.
अब मैं सबको गूगल नहीं कर रहा, अब मैं सबको गूगल नहीं करने वाला. Gajraj Rao,
No,
very
Ali Faisal's a good
I
actor.
take back everything.
नहीं, cast is really good and obviously वो जो सारे सत्यजीत रे पे उसकी stories है, तो I guess it will be, I'm hoping कि अच्छी
Wasn't there a movie on him with Randeep Hooda or something?
Yeah, called Radhe. Release हुई थी recently.
Randeep के हुडे.
But anyway, before we get this podcast more out of hand, let's end
Randeep
it
Hooda
right
guy.
here.
I think Randeep Hooda guy's name. He poor kid. When he was a kid, a lot of people might have made fun of his name.
No, Arnav, Kevin, he comes from a place where that surname is very common. So you're misunderstanding the situation completely. You should be very careful if you ever make fun of that nickname. Especially आप माने सर वगैरह जा रहे हो ना बेटे, ये jokes मत मारना जोर की.
I stay away from people.
Exactly. तो podcast में चिल्ला के
Thank
बोलता
you
है.
guys for listening to this episode of the Vele podcast. As usual, we are available on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Google Podcasts, and on YouTube. We also have a new Resident Evil 7 series playthrough where our friend Amrit plays through the game,
My
a
friend.
horror game which he's loving so much. And he's
इतना खुशी हूँ
enjoying.
मुझे बुखार हो गया कि 2 हफ्ते के लिए खेलनी नहीं हो बकवास
Yes, that will be maybe be delayed the next episode due to Amrit's condition recently. But we also have a few things planned later on, which we'll
Amen.
announce soon. Yes.
Amrit is fine. He hurt his pinky.
What are we planning for? मुझे तो plan नहीं पता.
Anyway,
But yeah.
guys, stay safe. And until next time, bye.